Welcome to the online demo of Martrak. As you know, consumers in India today research and purchase online. Indian consumers today are searching for and purchasing products ranging from electronics, home appliances, mobile phones, books, shoes, gifts, flowers, even jewelry is being purchased online today. Consumers typically search for products or see advertisements on different websites and land up on the retailer's online store where they can select a product that they want to buy and eventually buy it. A number of retailers are benefiting and taking advantage of this fast growing and large online market. How are they doing it? They are doing it using a solution called Martjack. To understand how Martjack helps retailers set up their own online stores and manage it, let's take a look at some of the online stores built on Martjack and how different retailers are using different capabilities of the platform. Let's take a look at the next website. As you can see, there are a number of products displayed on this website. These products have been categorized, as you can see, under different categories or departments such as mobile phones or cameras. You can similarly arrange your own products in your own categories on Martjack. As you can also see, they are using a lot of promotional capabilities such as discounts and offers to influence consumers to make sure that consumers are excited and they want to buy from them. They are showcasing different special products on their homepage itself. Let's say if a consumer visits their website and goes to the mobile phone section, he will be presented with a list of mobile phones which are available on the website. He can very easily search for products that he wants. For example, if the consumer is looking for a mobile phone with a 2 megapixel camera, he can very easily find it using Martjack's refined search capability, which allows consumers to search products based on their attributes. This helps in quick product discovery. Research suggests that consumers typically want to get to a product which they are interested in within the first few minutes of their presence on an online store. So it is very important to assist in the product discovery. Martjack has a number of features which help in product discovery. One of them, as we just saw, is refined search. Once a consumer finds a product which he is interested in, he can go and see all the details of that product. It is very important to present a detailed and rich presentation of a product to make sure that consumers are convinced, they know what they are looking at, they know what they are going to buy, so that they can make the purchase decision and buy from you online. As you can see, with Martjack you can present multiple images of your products, give a rich zoom view, provide the description of the product, provide ratings and reviews, provide all the different specifications and details of the product, so that the consumer is convinced that yes, I know all the answers to the questions about this product, so I can buy it. Apart from that, as you can see, Martjack also presents you with another product discovery tool, which is essentially cross-selling and upselling, which is here being presented as similar products. So if a consumer is looking at a particular product, you can present him with options such as if you're looking at product X, you may also be interested in products A, B, C, D. This again helps the consumer to quickly get to a product that he may be actually interested in buying. The consumers can obviously buy online by clicking on the buy now option and making an online payment. But if the consumer is not immediately interested in making a purchase, instead of letting him leave your online store, Martjack presents you with options to capture his information through lead generation flows such as get a call, ask for a demo, etc. So when a consumer goes to this website, he does not want to buy the product, he can click on get a call, provide his details. These details are sent as an SMS or an email to the store manager, who can then act on this lead, call up the customer, convince him to make the purchase. We'll see into the details of how that works later on during this demo. Apart from that, there are other engagement options as well, such as adding to wish list or sharing this product on social networks, or comparing it, referring it to a friend, liking the product on Facebook, or sending a tweet on Twitter. So a number of different social engagements as well as on-site engagement options are provided to make sure that consumers somehow have an engagement done when they are looking at a product that they are interested in, so that they can either purchase then and there or they can purchase later. Similarly, you would see a number of different retailers are using MartJack according to their own requirements and according to their own brand initiatives, their own branding, their own look and feel, everything, to present their unique online identity to consumers. Here you would see there's a lot of brand experience on eDigiWorld, which is Videocon's online site. Mangatrai they are presenting jewelry, so they have a different treatment to online business. They're giving multi-currency purchases option to consumers using MartJack's multi-currency tools. Nakshatra Diamonds again is a fairly brand-oriented online store. Olive Telecom is about their latest product offerings, allowing consumers to buy these products at some discounted rates. They're also using MartJack's social connecting features such as Facebook Connect, so consumers can just log in with their Facebook IDs. They don't have to create a separate registration on Olive Telecom's website. So MartJack also allows you to do that. They're running different kind of promotional campaigns such as giving discounts or giving free transit insurance. Odyssey is presenting their books under different categories. So as you will see that every retailer, according to their own requirements, they're using MartJack to build and manage their online presence. How this really works is when you sign up for MartJack, you are given an access to what is called the MartJack control panel. Essentially, the fundamental of MartJack is that we try to remove the complexities of IT or IT management from the retailer's table, which is why MartJack is offered on a software as a service model, so that you don't have to worry about servers or IT infrastructure or IT investments or IT managers. All of that is taken care of MartJack. You can just log in using the control panel from anywhere and build and manage your online store very easily. The MartJack control panel has been built through a long period of research to make it oriented towards retailers rather than IT persons. So you don't need any IT expertise to build and manage your online store. So once you log in into your control panel, you are presented with a dashboard which gives you a very quick overview, quick idea of your online store once it is running. Since we have just started, we'll go through the getting started list and see how typically an online store is built and managed on MartJack. So the first step there is providing the store information. Obviously, as you can see, you can provide the name of your store, the address, the phone number, mobile number, email address, and some description about your online store. Now, this is a very simple step, and that is the entire fundamental of MartJack, that we provide very, very simple steps to retailers, and all the complex work is being taken care of by the platform. So for example, on this page, by just providing this simple information, the platform automatically goes and creates your About Us page, your Contact Us page. It configures the alert system so that an SMS or an email will be sent to these addresses when an order is placed on your online store or when a customer registers on your online store. So all of those things are being taken care of by the platform. You can easily select a layout. There are a number of options available to select the layout. You can have your own custom layouts. This will determine what will be the structure of your online store. You can also select from a number of themes. There are hundreds of themes available from which you can select. This determines the look and feel of your online store You can also get a custom theme designed if required. You can very easily select checkout options or payment options, which is the options that consumers get to make payments to you when they are making purchases from your online store. As you can see, Marjack is already integrated with a number of different payment gateways. So you don't have to worry about the integration with a payment gateway or any kind of development work to be done to get a payment gateway working on your website. That work is already done. You just have to sign up with one of the payment gateways, provide the details of that payment gateway in your Marjack control panel, and your integration is done. So what is typically a 2-week and costly affair outside in the traditional model, with Marjack that is a 5-10 minute job, the integration with your payment gateway. You just provide the information and the integration is done. Apart from giving the purchase options to consumers, you can also give them additional options as we discussed earlier, like get a call, reserve a product and visit store, price on request, ask for a demo, something like that, so that the consumer can provide his information to you in a proactive way. Even if he is not willing to make the purchase then and there, you can later on follow up with the consumer and close the deal. We'll take a look at how to do it later. You can also configure your entire shipping profile, which is your business plan for shipping to the consumers, delivery of products once they have purchased it. You can say that you want to give express shipping, standard shipping options. You want to ship to certain geographies. You don't want to ship to certain geographies. You want to have a price of delivery to be charged by the weight of the product, or a flat price, or by the price or amount of the product. All of those things can be very easily configured. Marjack is integrated with a number of logistics providers. So if you are using one of the integrated logistics providers, docket generation can also happen automatically. Once an order comes and it is approved by you, the Aramex person can come and pick up the order. They'll get an automatic notification at their end. At the end of the day, they'll come, pick up the order and deliver it to the consumer. So even that is taken care of for you. So as you will see, with Marjack, essentially it is not just the technology solution, you are also getting the complete ecosystem of related solutions such as payment integrations, logistics solution, online marketing solution, which we will take a look at later on. So once you have defined your shipping profile, or how you're going to deliver products to consumers, you can also very easily define the categories of products that you want to showcase on your website. Here again with Marjack, what we have done is that we already have over 2,000 different categories pre-populated in the system, which means for each of these categories, what are the different attributes. For example, for earrings, consumers want to know what are the carats, gold weight, type of gold. For gold earrings, these are the attributes they want to know. So all this kind of information is already present. You don't have to do the homework of what is the information typically consumers are looking for when they're looking at products in a particular category. Apart from that, you can add your own customized categories also to your online store.